The Imagine Dragons have been successful since their first album, and they will be in the future. Their songs sound bombastic and they sound like they're hard to play on guitar. But what if I tell you that their songs aren't that hard to play on guitar? Welcome in this new video where I'm going to lure you how to play the new song of Imagine Dragons, Wrecked. First, I'm going to explain you how to play the chords, and after I'm going to explain you how to play the strumming pattern. First, I'm going to explain you how to play one chord, because I think you know these chords already, and if you don't, pause the video and look at these shapes here. There's one chord which is not very common in songs, and that's the D minor/F chord. And you have to play it like this. You have to play your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. Then you have to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then you have to play your pink on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then you have to play your index finger on the 1st fret of the E string. So you get this. If this is too hard for you, you can also play the D minor shape. So, first you have to play the A minor chord, then you have to play the C chord, then you have to play the G chord, and then you have to play the D minor/F chord. And these chords are for the whole song the same. Make sure you make the change quickly enough to play this song with a strumming pattern. So, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, change to the C, 2, 3, change to the D, change to the D minor/F, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, C chord, and 1, 2, 3, G chord, and 1, 2, 3, D minor/F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, the D minor/F shape can be replaced by a D minor chord. Now I'm going to learn you how to play the strumming pattern. A minor shape, and you have to play after the first beat. And you have to play it with downstrokes. 3, 4, 1. And you have to play this strumming pattern twice. 3, 4, 1. Then make a change to the C chord and you have to play the exact same strumming pattern. 3, 4, 1. Then we go to the G chord. And then we go to the D minor/F chord. And then we go to the A minor chord. Now we can play the strumming pattern, but it's nice to mute the strings for half a beat, and that's on the 1. So you get this 3, 4, 1, mute. And we're going to practice this with the A minor chord. So 3, 4, 1, mute, 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 mute. And if you get the change from the A minor to the C, place the G chord behind it, and after you get that one, place the D minor/F after it. And if you get that one, repeat it from the start and make a loop of it. So, now we're going to play this loop. 3, 4, 1, mute. I hope that I helped you to play this song. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.